Hey folks, Nick Forster here. I finally realized I never showed y'all the Partner that we rebuilt the carb on. Never got to show y'all that one running, so here's a quick video of it, real quick. I gotta redo this pull cord, it's a little short. Boot's not big enough to fit in there. Come on. We need to pull our idle up just a touch. Man, this thing's got some correction. Oh, come on. Can't get my boot in there. How does it feel? Try it back that way a little bit. Now she's not one to idle for me. Kill switch don't work. I just choke it out. But there's the Partner firing up. So hope y'all enjoyed that quick little video. If you don't mind, hit us a like. If you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks y'all.